Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make coconut chicken soup. Let's start. Firstly, we should open the coconut. We choose the fresh tender coconut, not the old coconut for this soup, because the old coconut is hard to remove its flesh. We use one coconut for this soup. If you like coconut, you can buy more. The coconut we bought has been opened by the salesperson. We just need to open the lid with the knife. We recommend you buy the opened coconut in the market. After open the coconut, we should pour the coconut water into the strainer to strain it, then save it for later. Next, we can remove coconut flesh from the shell. Because the refreshed tender coconut is easy to remove its flesh. We only need to use the wooden spoon to do it. Use the wooden spoon to insert slowly the gap between the flesh with the shell from the top of the coconut. After insert about 5 cm, turn the coconut and repeat the same action. When you feel that we have inserted to the bottom, and remove all of the coconut flesh from the shell. Then take the coconut flesh from the shell. After we remove coconut flesh from the shell, some of the flesh have stuck to the hard shell. We should put the flesh into the water and clean the hard shell from the flesh. After wash coconut flesh, we should cut the flesh into small rectangular pieces. Then save it for later. Please don't cut it into smaller pieces. You can refer to the size in our video. Now we can wash 100 gram pork ribs. Pork ribs can add a more thick taste to the soup. If you buy it from the market, you can ask the salesperson to help you chop the pork ribs, because it needs a special cutter to chop it. But if you don't like the pork taste, you cannot use it in this food. Next, we can wash and cut the chicken. Wash 300 gram chicken and then cut it into small pieces. If you can buy the old chicken, we recommend you use it, because the old chicken is more suitable for cooking soup. If you don't like the chicken oil after cook, you can remove the chicken skin and oil from the chicken. Before cooking this soup, we still need to prepare 9 slices of ginger for this food. It has much use in the next step. Now we should blanch chicken. Firstly, add some water and 3 slices of ginger into the pan. Use a big fire to heat it. After the water has boiled, add chicken into the pan to blanch. When the chicken turns white, drain and save it for later. Next, we should blanch pork ribs. Firstly, add some water and 3 slices of ginger into the pan. Use a big fire to heat it. After the water has boiled, add pork ribs into the pan to blanch. When the pork ribs turn white, drain and save it for later. Now we can cook this soup. Add 800 ml water and 3 slices of ginger into the pan. Add all of the things we prepared before into the pan. Use the big fire to boil it. After it is boiled, use the soft fire to cook it for 1 hour. Then wash 10 grams goji berries, drain and save them for later. Now we should add goji berries into the pan. After the soup has cooked for 50 minutes, add goji berries into the pan. Please don't add goji berries too early. That can cause the salt into the pan. Then when the time is up, we got a delicious soup. The coconut chicken soup is a nutrient-rich and fresh soup with a strong flavor. If you taste it, you will find that the sweet of chicken and coconut fresh. You will never forget it if you taste it. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problem, please leave your comment below. See you next Chinese food. Bye.